Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check for system updates on ASUS ROG Ally. To do it, go to Settings, then go to Update Center, and now you can click on Check for Updates. After some time, it will show you the updates here. So if there are updates for the app or core service, you will be able to click on Update. And for device and component, you can also update by clicking on Update All or Update specific ones. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.